plunge into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten, and to release, lift up with the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight, low, cross your hips, and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 over window exits, 2 exit doors in the back, signs overhead, and the lighting on the floor will lead you to those exits. And if evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant's commands and leave everything. And the aircraft is also equipped with life rafts. There are 2 on board, one in the forward ceiling compartment, and one is located in the ceiling compartment at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, you're going to use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only until to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle in front. And pull to tighten. Once outside, put on the red tag and inflate. And manually inflate one of the tube at your shoulder. Your vest is a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of the life vest on an infant, and flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. Flight attendants are coming by to check that your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat back and tray table are in their full upright and lock position, and carry-on items are underneath the seat in front of you, leaving that area around your feet clear. Smoking, including use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Also, federal aviation restricts. You are not allowed to drink or bring your own alcohol on this flight. Also require passenger compliance with the passenger information, lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including all information on seatbelts and smoking. And if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop to the compartment overhead to activate the flow of oxygen. Pull on the plastic tubing until the tubing is fully extended. You're going to take off your face covering or mask first. Then you're going to place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with elastic straps, and although the bag may not inflate, don't worry, you are receiving oxygen. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask. We're here for your comfort and your safety. Please report any unwanted behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. 1 hour and 45 minutes in the air, folks. We are on our way to Denver. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. And 3 babies. And ladies and gentlemen, be clear for departure. Also, we're going to turn the lights off, so if you do need additional reading light, press the button above your head with a picture of a light bulb on it.